Kaizikshin, Axelton, hi. Dantes Danica, Wewe 1991, hi. Tintinizing. Team Bosleng, hello. Amri Lee, Josie Lumba. Oh, Wewe, hello. Samantha Kemba, hi. Hello into Sharon Gavi. Hello everybody, good evening. It's been a while. I'm happy that you're all here. I just wanted to say hello. I'm not feeling so good. I have been under the weather for a few days, but I'm going somewhere very important. So, but I hope you're all okay. I'm doing well. I'm busy even if I'm not working. And I have to say I miss working. I miss taping. I miss shooting. I miss doing concerts. I miss just working. But I'm also working but on other things, not my showbiz stuff. So kahit nasa bahay, ang dami-dami kong ginagawa. So I hope you're okay. Hello there. Ang bilis umakyat. Miss Darby Chan, hello. Oh, thank you. And 1221, hello sa inyo sa UK. And Gems Emerald, hello. Janice Iya, hello. Aliana. Olives and Chives, hello. Singapore, how are you? Amy Lerdon MM, Lex Judiel, hello to all of you guys. Janice Francesca Nicole, hello. Twin Flame Shaka, best to you, hello, thank you so much. Hi Jed, Jed Madela is here in the live. I miss you, Jeddy. I love you, hope to see you soon. May 19, hello. And then Alejandrino, hello. Hi Jess, Jay Shamri, hello honey. Happy shiny night to you. Gabrielle, time Sharon. Gabrielle and Sharon, thank you so much. Jeffrey 3587, hello. No, I'm not coming to New York soon, but I have to go next year. Somebody graduated. Angie, Blessy Sumatra, hello. And Y Cheska, hello, thank you so much, Cheska. Jenna, Charlotte, oh yeah. Really, Angelica Joy, hello. Not Regine, hello, thank you so much. And Anthony Roque, hello there, good evening. At sa Sambales 3873, hello sa inyo. Hi Fernan Sukalit, PH, hello Fernan, how are you? I haven't seen you in a while, I hope you're okay. And hello sa mga tiga Melbourne, lalo kay Carol, CCC02. Nakakatawa naman to. Hello, Christina Planilla. Nakakatawa yung handle mo. Robin Hood Planilla. I don't know if that's your real name, pero malapit kay Senator Robin. Zarinx, me, hello from UAE. And hello to all of you in UAE. And Galang Germ, hello to you. Balefire 07, thank you so much. I hope I feel better also soon. It's a very sad night because I'm going to the wake of someone very special. I'm sure you know now, but yeah, it's hard. I don't like going to places like this, and then you end up seeing old friends, and you wish na, you know, you were in a better situation, a better occasion. It's so hard. And yeah, but I'll be okay. I just really had to go. I have to go. But I really am not feeling okay. Nalin David, hello to you. Oh, thank you, Robin Hood. Tell her I miss her too, although I need to meet her, but I miss all that love. Thank you. Meron dito Maricel _ Soriano. I'm sure hindi si Mary ito, but hello. Oo, sana makita din kita sa personal. Darzen, hello. And sa tita mo sa Paris, si Agnes, hello to you, Agnes. And GDC from UK, hello. And Julia, Charmy, Jen S, Juliet, hello. And Audrey, CRZ, thank you so much. I just really wanted to say hello. I hope okay kayong lahat. Yeah, I'm medyo low bat. But I miss you all, and I hope to see you soon. I'm gonna do a new vlog very soon, and I'm starting to go through the letters na pinadala ninyong mga nag-email na humingi ng advice. I was thinking after that siguro pwede akong humingi ng opinion din ng ibang viewers natin, tapos i-share ko din with you, diba? But thank you so much, and I just really wanted to catch up and say I miss all of you, and I hope you're all okay, and I love you, of course. God bless each and every one of you. I'll catch up with you guys again soon, okay? Lots of love. Love you all. Good night. Have a nice evening.